Buick Unique Specialty Classics. 1966 Buick Skylark, two-door hardtop coupe, 340 powered. Of course, the 340 was only made in 66 and 67. Era correct 340 also, and that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Also very nicely equipped car. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's go ahead and take a look at the grille, headlight surrounds, chrome in this car. Original color would have been turquoise mist. So as you can see, still looking the way it would when it come from a Buick dealership back in 1966. Aqua vinyl interior, and that appears to be original. We're going to get into that here in just a little bit, but first of all, check out the underside pics, engine bay pics, interior, trunk. Still pictures are going to be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Paint shows well. There are some imperfections in it. I'm going to point those out kind of as we go around. A few spots where I guess I'd call it maybe a little staining to it. The hood shows very well, but you get a spot here or there like this. If you can kind of see that. Another little one right there. But overall, like I said, you step back, you don't see them. You're right on top of it. You'll notice it. Look at how straight this thing is. When we pop the hood, you're going to see it has the AIR system on it, which tells me that this in 1966 was a California car. And that really shows, especially when you go to look at the underside pics, the engine bay, and again, interior believed to be original. According to the previous owner, a little over 41,000 miles on this car, and that is original miles. Now, when you take a look at the underside pics, you look at this interior, I have a lot easier time believing that this is an original mile car than it would have over 140,000 on it. You're going to see what I'm saying when you look at that underside. We take a little closer look at the interior. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust. Also, as I was going down the side, you might have noticed the Buick Rally style wheels. It has the Bridgestone Silvertown red line radials on it, which is a great look on this car. And we're going to pause a second. Oh, they shut it off. We got the car running behind us there. Didn't want to drown me out. Finish up going down this driver's side. Again, and you can see nice and straight up and down this car. Here's a few of those spots that I was kind of talking about. A little bit where there's just kind of like a little bit of stain to the paint. And again, they're, in a few spots, but overall, it still shows very well. When I get the camera right up on top of it, kind of washes that paint out some, so it exaggerates it a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. Now, when I say good idea as far as original interior, if you take a look at this fabric all looks original. You can see these seams, all that looks original, which once again leads me to believe that this is an original interior aqua colored car. Take a look at the door panels, same way. All right, we're gonna go ahead and fire this up. Let's hear it run. Again, 340 underneath the hood, automatic transmission. AC car. Now, and compressor does engage as far as on the AC. I did not have it blowing cold though. The compressor will turn on and off, may need to be recharged. Wipers do work, horn works. Take a look at the top of this dash. Not sun-baked, weather checked. The radio will also power up, but is in need of an antenna, FYI. So I could not get reception. I'm guessing with an antenna, radio will get reception also. That was a cold start, so we're gonna have a little higher idle there. It'll come back down there. Keep down. All right. Headliner. Take a look at that. And again, that appears to be original also and intact. Original seat belts. Oh, nicely that door closes and fits. slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nothing over the top. Just a nice little throaty exhaust note coming out of that one. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped. I want you to check out this engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, hood open. Take a look at the underside of that hood, how clean it is, as well as this engine bay. And again, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC, California AIR system still intact on the car. Of course, Wildcat 375, that's going to be the torque. 375 pound-feet of torque, could be 260 horsepower car. AC has never been converted, still R12. So again, compressor and everything turns on and off. Probably needs to be converted and gone through to blow cold. Don't think it's going to take a whole lot. It appears everything's there, but yeah, look at the condition of that engine bay. Again, previous owner stated original miles a little over 41,000. 1966 Buick Skylark 2-door hardtop coupe, and this one's a beauty, folks. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.